Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be working on a pop of blue spring look using Profusion Wanderlust and some new LaColors I picked up. I was so excited to see they had new stuff at the Dollar General, and yes, so let's dive in. So as always, we always prime our eyelid first. We're using Milani's eyeshadow primer, and we're going to dive into the Profusion Wanderlust, and I'm picking up Coast and applying that in the crease here. Windshield wiper motions, kind of messily, and patting in the outer corner there. I'm showing you where I'm holding the brush. More in towards the middle of the brush for color placement. And put your hand towards the back of the brush, almost at the end, for blending. Middle of the brush, you have more control, and you're going to really pack and place that color. The further back your hand is, the less control you have, and it's just like feathery motions for blending. So I wanted to share that tip with you guys. So here we just keep on building our color up, and the crease, we just build it up, continue on with that. Very easy and simple. Look, you can pull this off with any few little basic brown shades you have and some color. Next, we're picking up a shader brush, and we're picking up the shade Gleam in Profusion Wanderlust. Very beautiful golden kind of shade. I'm just messily patting that on the lid, and that's where it's gonna be, you know. Very messy. I want this look to be quick too. I think this look, eyes, maybe 10-12 minutes, maybe not even. We're adding the second lightest shade in the palette and applying that to the brow bone. Yes, we're applying it and then dragging it down into our crease color, and we are going to blend and blend. So bringing back in the crease brush to help warm that back up. Next, we're going to be taking Splash and Enigma mixed together. Anyone else think of Jeff Hardy when they hear the word Enigma? No, just me. Big Hardy's boy fan here. And yes, we're applying that to the lower lash line. I like the mix of the two. It's not overly bright and it's not too dark when they're mixed together, and I just love this. I wore a combination of this look 3 times now using this palette. Same shades, just different color on the bottom. So we're just gonna go through and tight line. I'm gonna nude out the bottom lower lash line, and I'm using the LaColors liquid eyeliner. This is a throwback product, but I got a new one because I really enjoyed this liquid eyeliner in the past. It is so very black, look at that. So I just went ahead and picked it up again instead of blowing a bunch of money on another expensive eyeliner. And here we're using the LaColors EyeTensity mascara. Great mascara. Also new, they had these LaColors glitter palettes, and this is Mysterious, and I would consider this, I would just call it the blue palette. And I'm gonna apply that navy beautiful glitter on the bottom there. I'm gonna review these in full, but I will say I'm a bit disappointed because, as expected, it's just a glitter product in a Vaseline kind of product. So moving on, for lips, this is Rimmel Kate's 101 lipstick and a LipSmackers watermelon flavor gloss on top. Very simple. If I had it to do over again, I would have chose a nude lip, but I was already committed and already in. This is new from LaColors, Show It Off. The palette is actually, the name of it is also Show It Off. It's a blush palette. They also have like a contour bronzer palette. It was $3. The glitter palette was $2.50, and the liquid eyeliner was $1.50. Totally worth that $1.50 too. And we're applying blush, and we're going to use the highlight, and I think the highlight is actually really beautiful. It's not super in your face, but it gives you like a natural within kind of glow in my opinion, and I'm digging it. It's so beautiful. And we're going to hit all those highlight spots there, and we're going to go in and blend it out just so it's flush with everything else. Today I opted not to contour, if you notice that I missed a step, but blush and stuff, I was going for the minimum also. So we're going to set this with LaColors setting spray, and here is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial. We'll definitely try the makeup out for yourself. Let me know in the comments below if you will. And check the description box for additional links. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't already. And there's a full list of products in the description box below.